Speech therapy in Miami. The first steps for parents, what to do. So once you've identified that your child has a speech delay and that they need speech therapy, and you're looking around, what should you do and what kind of questions should you ask? So the first step is how to find a speech language pathologist in Miami. My suggestion is once you go to the pediatrician and you are presented with a prescription or a referral, you should call your insurance company and see if they cover speech therapy. If your insurance covers speech therapy, you should ask how many visits, what's your deductible, and then you should ask for a provider in their network. Once you get all that information and you have a list of speech pathologists, then you can start calling around a few therapists in Miami and pick which center is the best for you in terms of location, quality, reviews, things that are important to you. Now, once you've selected the center, how to select the best speech therapist that fits your needs. So not all speech therapists are made equal. I mean, we all do have master's degrees, but most of us do have the CCC certification, which means we have been clinically certified by the speech association called ASHA. That kind of governs over the speech pathologist. Not SOPs, not all SOPs that hold their license have their CCC certification. So it is important that you find out if the SOP that will be seeing your child has the certification, which means they're clinically competent. Second, you should always ask what's their expertise. Is their expertise treating kids with autism? Is their expertise treating kids with stuttering? Are they a pediatric SOP? We are not all built the same, and we all do have different skills and techniques, and maybe they have different skills or they've had different jobs. For example, I really love to treat kids with stuttering. It is my specialty. I have other SOPs that might specialize in autism, speech delay, apraxia, and an array of different disorders. So you do want to ask the SOP that will be treating your child, what's their skill, if they're CCC'd, how long have they been working, etc. Another question that you should ask, not all speech therapists have good chemistry with every single patient. You have to feel out your speech language pathologist and see if you think it would be a good fit. Some kids need a lot of structure, some kids need to be more creative. So you do want to pick what you feel is best for your child. You as a parent would know what would benefit your child better. So once you have chosen your speech pathologist, the best steps that you can take at that point is make an appointment. You will always need an evaluation. Evaluations are only completed once every 6 months. So if you go and get an evaluation at a center and you realize you didn't like the center, you do not need to complete another one when you go to the next center. You just take the evaluation with you. It lasts 6 months, and then every 6 months it expires and you need to complete a new one. So once you've done an evaluation with the speech pathologist that you have chosen, you do want to find the best speech pathologist for your child, as well as the best speech center in Miami that you can find. You do want the evaluation to be explained to you, and the evaluation is going to have recommendations that say how many times your child should be seen. The speech center that you are attending to should obey the rules or the amount of visits that you were awarded. Once you start your child in therapy, it should be a good, easygoing experience. The therapist should always come out and explain to you how your child did. They should tell you what they worked on, and you should get a plan or a home program so you can help your child along once you're home. If you guys need any questions, or if you guys have any questions for me, you can look me up at www.miamispeechinstitute.com, and I'll be glad to help.